A very big hello to my wonderful champions. I hope you're doing great. We all know that the exam season is going to come live soon, which is why I also understand that there are so many worries around it. Ma'am, where to start from, what to start, how to start, so much syllabus is left, which is the exact reason we thought we should be giving you the course that is KC90. Here K stands for KCET and C stands for Comet K. Both of these examination has just one direct goal, that is your entry into the top engineering colleges of Karnataka. And we definitely know that not all of you would want to, prepare for both of these examinations, which is why we have individual courses as well. So KC90 is for both these examinations. KCET 90 days crash course is just for KCET preparation. Comet K 90 day crash course is just for Comet K preparation. Now there is one thing common between KCET and Comet K, and that is your 11th and 12th syllabus. And that would be our first priority. We would be completing 12th on priority because you would be having your examination for class 12th or your PU2 boards as well. So we will be giving you one-shot lectures every single day for each subject. So one day, suppose it's Monday, we would be giving lecture for chemistry, the one-shot one, and then you will get chapter-wise PYQ lecture. And for KCET, if at all you have taken KC90, then one lecture would be for KCET, another lecture would be for your Comet K PYQs. That is how it will be going. If at all you are taking just KCET course, then you will have one-shot lecture, and then after that you will be having your PYQ lecture as well. Apart from that, there will be DPPs, extra daily practice papers also given to you such that you can practice. And my dear children, you might have heard of Abhyas KCET and Comet K test series. It has been pretty famous the previous year. So we thought we should be providing it to you within this particular course so that you do not have to buy it in any external sources. Okay, so all of that would be covered over here. You'll get your PU2 board test series as well, which will be helpful for your PU2 board. And there will be live doubt classes on one day of the week, which would be helping you to clear all your doubts. And the notes and the PDFs will be downloadable, so do not worry. And you will be having an exclusive WhatsApp community just for the children who have taken up the course. Now, KC90 is available for rupees 9999. Okay, and KCET 90 day crash course is for rupees 5999. Comet K is for rupees 5999. That is the discounted price. Now, in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can basically buy the product. So there had been so many confusions around it. So I am here to tell you or guide you how you can actually do so. So the link to buy the course would be given in the description box. Okay, you just have to click on the link. Well, the web page would appear to you something like this. So I'll just play this video. Just give me a quick second. So over here, yes. So this is how it looks. It's Deeksha Learning Store. Okay, you can see at the top, and these are the offerings and everything being put down over here, my dear children. So we have to look at the topmost portion, and I am going to talk about it more. So basically, the first thing is that the first page is there over here. Just give me a quick second. Yes, this is the first page. And here you see online courses and offline courses. Please click on the online course and then click on continue, because I am talking about KC90 online course. Okay, so please click on continue button. Now if at all you are worried about ma'am, I just want KCET, please wait, I'll tell you how. So online course and continue, when we click on that, you have three options. One is KC90 KCET plus Comet K plus PU2 test series. Other one is KC90 just KCET and PU2 test series. So if at all you're looking just for KCET and nothing else, please go for the second option. If at all you're looking for Comet K, then there is a third option, that is KC90 Comet K plus PU2 test series. So please click accordingly. For each of them, the price is written over here. Now if you go to this particular side, my dear children, whatever thing you have chosen, I have chosen KC90 KCET plus Comet K plus PU2 test series, which is why the price is 9999. Now over here, what you have to do is click on the continue button. After selecting the course, you have to click on the continue button. If at all there is any coupon, you can apply it, but as of now it's not active. So okay, so now if at all we click on continue, we'll go to this particular page. A pop-up would be coming up where if at all you have already registered. Okay, how do you register? In the front page itself, you can log in and register yourself. But if at all you have not, there is an option to create your account. And I think most of you might have to do this because you might have not registered before. So just click on create your account, and while you do so, there are certain things that you have to fill. For example, your first name, your last name, the mobile number, the email ID, the password, your confirmed password, and all of these things. So here I request you to pay your attention that your email address should be correct, because this is where all your notifications and everything would be coming in, and make sure you are not making any mistakes out here. The same thing goes with your mobile number. The mobile number should be the one that you are having access to, and it should be linked to WhatsApp as well. Okay, that will be really good, because as I said, you will be joined with the community and a lot of things are going to happen. So make sure you can put that particular mobile number as well as the proper email ID. And once you have filled in all the information, just click on register button. Now once you have done that, my dear children, you would be allowed to do the payment. So since I chose KC90, KCET and Comet K, the price is remaining to the same. There is a reference ID. Here your registered name would be coming in, and you can choose either PhonePe or Razorpay. Please pay attention over here. If at all you're going with Razorpay, you might have to pay some extra amount. Okay, so that is there, but the other way, as I said, there is PhonePe as well. You can just click on that and go ahead and click on pay. Now once you do that, this would be coming up, this page would be popping up. Now either you can scan the QR code or you can type the UPI ID by yourself. Once you have done that and your payment is being done, there will be something like this popping up, that is payment successful. With the amount, whatever you have paid, it would be given over here, the transaction ID, everything would be mentioned. So successful payment will be reflected, and apart from that, you will have this particular page that is thank you, your order has been received, and things like this. So please make sure you're taking the course at the earliest and start practicing as well with us. So that's all. Wishing you all the best, and do not forget to hit on the subscribe button if at all you think that this course is helpful for you, and share it with your friends also who are in need. Ta-ta, take care, bye-bye.